The situation at hand is I have now convinced Hannah to get into the Agatha garb. Here lies Agatha.
Wait,
Alright.
can you hold these?
Yeah. Okay, put on Agatha. I don't think there's any children out there to frighten me.
No children out there?
Oh, there's a few. Come on.
Okay, let's go.
Should the Saudi Arabian real estate agent go with her, or?
No, it's okay.
Alright.
This isn't Agatha, this is the solo flight. Why is she walking like that?
Keep doing it. That's excellent.
Why is she going like that? What is she doing? Why is she walking like that?